വെരി ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ. ഷീ ഈസ് വെരി ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ എന്നതിനു പകരം ഷീ ഈസ് ഗോർജിയസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. 2, വെരി ആംഗ്രി. ഷീ ഈസ് വെരി ആംഗ്രി എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിനു പകരം ഷീ ഈസ് ഫ്യൂരിയസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. 3, വെരി അഫ്രൈഡ്. ഷീ ഈസ് വെരി അഫ്രൈഡ്. ഷീ ഈസ് ഫിയർഫുൾ. വെരി ബിഗ്. It was a very big storm. It was a massive storm. 5, very calm. The lake looked very calm in the morning. The lake looked serene in the morning. 6, very careful. She is very careful crossing the road. She is cautious crossing the road. 7, very clean. Our kitchen is always very clean. Our kitchen is always spotless. 8, very clear. The answer to that question is very clear. The answer to that question is obvious. 9, very clever. The monkey was very clever. The monkey was intelligent. 10, very colorful. The sky is very colorful today. The sky is vibrant today. 11, very confused. She looked very confused. She looked perplexed. 12, very dangerous. It is a very dangerous situation. It is a perilous situation. 13, very dear. Those were very dear moments to us. Those were cherished moments to us. 14, very deep. His thoughts are very deep. His thoughts are profound. 15, very dirty. She lives in very dirty surroundings. She lives in filthy surroundings. 16, very eager. He is very eager to learn new skills. He is keen to learn new skills. 17, very excited. I was very excited by the beauty of Ooty. I was thrilled by the beauty of Ooty. 18, very expensive. Repairing the car was very expensive. Repairing the car was costly. 19, very fat. She is a very fat female. She is an obese female. 20, very glad. The children were very glad to see their grandparents. The children were overjoyed to see their grandparents. Thank you for watching. See you again.